Welcome to the channel. Today we're traveling back to the late 1990s when Audi decided to challenge the world of high-performance wagons and create a car that still commands respect and admiration to this day. We're talking, of course, about the first Audi RS4, the B5 model, which debuted in 1999 and immediately went down in history as one of the most characterful cars of its era. It wasn't just a fast wagon, it was a statement of engineering excellence from Ingolstadt and a result of collaboration with the legendary Cosworth. From the outside, the RS4 looked familiar. After all, it was based on the well-known Audi A4 B5 Avant. But even at first glance, it was clear this wasn't just another tame family car. This wasn't about cosmetic tweaks or visual gimmicks. Every part of the bodywork signaled more power and greater ambition. The widened fenders looked like the tense muscles of an athlete, ready to sprint, not only allowing for a wider track, but also emphasizing the car's muscular silhouette. The bumpers, both front and rear, were re-engineered in the spirit of motorsport, aggressive with pronounced contours and functional air intakes that provided cooling and a bold visual presence. The subtle spoiler on the tailgate was the proverbial icing on the cake, understated, yet aerodynamically effective. It wasn't just for show, but actively contributed to high-speed stability. Completing the picture were side skirts that visually lowered the profile and tied the flared arches seamlessly to the rest of the bodywork. 18-inch wheels, designed specifically for the RS4, filled the arches to the brim. They sat deep and low, not just due to size, but thanks to the sport-tuned suspension that reduced ride height and made the car appear glued to the road. Combined with wide tires, they created a striking visual effect and delivered excellent grip. The RS4 radiated confidence. It wasn't flashy, yet it commanded attention. Subtlety met brute honesty. The designers avoided cheap tricks and instead gave the driver a raw but authentic sports car aesthetic. It's one of those vehicles that looks even better with age, because nothing in its design was accidental. Every line, every flare, every detail had a purpose. That's why the RS4 still looks fresh today and continues to excite car enthusiasts. But the real magic of the RS4 was under the hood, and that's no exaggeration. At its heart was a 2.7-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. But this wasn't a lightly tuned engine from another model. The entire power plant was co-developed with the legendary British firm Cosworth, known not just for Formula One success, but for countless iconic road and race projects. This wasn't a coincidence. Audi set out to build something truly special, something capable of standing toe-to-toe with the most powerful cars of its time. The result was a refined, precision-built, and extremely potent engine producing 380 horsepower and an impressive 440 Newton-meters of torque, available from low revs. That meant instant throttle response and outstanding flexibility in all driving conditions. You didn't have to rev it to the red line to feel the surge of adrenaline. Just a light tap on the pedal, and the RS4 would rocket forward without hesitation. The 0-100 km/h, 0-62 mph sprint took just 4.8 seconds, and this was in a car that had space for a family, 2 child seats, and a dog. At the time, many full-fledged supercars couldn't match that figure. The RS4 not only launched like a rocket, it did so with a level of ease and smoothness that made it feel like the power was delivered to all 4 wheels via Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, one of the best ever made. It provided incredible traction not only on dry tarmac, but also in rain, snow, or loose gravel. No matter the conditions, the RS4 stuck to the road like glue, allowing for aggressive corner exits and hard acceleration without losing composure. And the gearbox? A 6-speed manual only. Short throws, precise engagement, full mechanical control without compromises. No comfort modes, no paddle shifters. What mattered here were the driver's skills and engagement. That's what made driving the RS4 more than just fast transport. It was a genuine driving adventure. The RS4 of that era wasn't a car for everyone. It was for those who understood that beneath the surface of this wagon was something far greater than just an engine. It was the essence of engineering passion, precision, and power, wrapped in a sleek and practical body. A fusion of German engineering and British motorsport heritage that created one of the most captivating models in Audi's history. The suspension was tuned to strike a balance between comfort and razor-sharp handling. The RS4 felt stable, communicative, and engaging to drive. Brakes supplied by Brembo handled aggressive driving with ease, and the signature sound of the twin turbos spooling up gave goosebumps every time. Inside, the car was just as special. Black leather, Recaro sport seats, aluminum accents, and red-tipped analog gauges created the perfect atmosphere for a true driver's car. Yet comfort wasn't forgotten. Climate control, a Bose audio system, and premium materials reminded you this was still a luxury vehicle. Only about 17,000 units of the Audi RS4 B5 were produced, and today it's considered a true modern classic. It's one of those cars that still impresses with its performance, design, and build quality, and its value continues to rise, because this is more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history that combined everyday usability with supercar performance. If you're looking for a car with soul, history, and a unique character, the first-generation RS4 is one of the best choices you can make. A car that didn't need giant wings to embarrass Porsches of its era. It only needed a turbocharged V6, Quattro drivetrain, and the name Cosworth on the valve cover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other content where I explore more incredible cars, their stories, and secrets. Every like and comment helps grow the channel, so thank you for your support, and see you in the next one. And now I'll leave you for a moment with this stunning and insanely fast car.